Well, this is certainly one of Facebook's worst reputational crises, and a lot of it centers on Frances Haugen, a former data scientist within Facebook's Civic and Integrity Unit. Earlier this month, she spoke before the United States Senate, saying that Facebook had put profit before people's safety and had hidden its own research about online harm from investors and the general public. But she also came forward with tens of thousands of internal documents that she copied before leaving her job. And these have become known as the Facebook Papers. Redacted versions of these documents have now been leaked to international media organizations, and several revelations about Facebook have now been made. For example, allegations about Facebook's role in promoting dangerous content towards children on a number of its platforms, but also about Facebook's role when it comes to political violence and fueling online misinformation. Well, Frances Haugen, that whistleblower, has now also spoken before United Kingdom lawmakers at the Parliament's subcommittee ahead of key legislation on the Online Safety Bill, new laws which in the UK are aiming to tackle online harm and rein in these big tech giants. Frances Haugen told the committee that she believes Facebook needs regulation and that the platform has been amplifying online hate.
I came forward now because now is the most critical time to act. When we see something like an oil spill, that oil spill doesn't make it harder for a society to regulate oil companies. But right now, the failures of Facebook are making it harder for us to regulate Facebook.
Facebook didn't invent hate, but do you think it's making hate worse?
Unquestionably, it's making hate worse.
Now, this is not the first time the UK Parliament has heard from a Facebook whistleblower. Previously, Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO, has said he recognises the need for internet regulation, but he has dismissed these allegations. And Facebook has had a similar response in regard to these revelations from the so-called Facebook Papers. They say that yes, we are a business and we make profit, but the idea that we do so at the expense of people's safety or well-being misunderstands where our own commercial interests lie. But Paul, these revelations are only likely to continue, given that Frances Haugen, that whistleblower, is also soon due to speak before the European Union in Brussels about her role within the company.